Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Ethereum from Kraken to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your ETH for better security or DeFi opportunities, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have a Kraken account with some Ethereum and a Phantom Wallet set up on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana and Ethereum, so it's perfect for this transfer. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Funding or Withdraw section. It's usually in the wallet area. Here, you'll select Ethereum as the asset you want to withdraw. Next, you'll need your Phantom Wallet address. Open your Phantom app, create a new Ethereum account if you haven't already, and copy the address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Back on Kraken, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Don't forget to specify the amount of ETH you want to send. Remember, Kraken might charge a small fee, so factor that in. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. In 2025, crypto transactions are faster, but always verify the network. Make sure it's on the Ethereum mainnet. Once you're good, click Withdraw, and Kraken will process your request. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Now, switch to your Phantom Wallet and keep an eye out for the incoming transaction. Once it shows up, you're all set. Pro tip: use two-factor authentication everywhere to keep your assets secure, and never share your private keys. There you have it. Sending ETH from Kraken to Phantom is straightforward with these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital future together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.